is that this man is using an important person.
My Nigeria people don't bring no boga Bishop news story. My name Nande. Make a sharply yarn on a story wey say it just happened. The Lagos State Environmental Sanitation officials they will be carried don't catch 13 people they will say they go cross express road and they not use the pedestrian bridge. After we say Kai officials they don't call one people for inside Lagos State say they not cross express road again. And now for Oshodi okay now they catch these people them around 8:30 a.m. on Thursday will be marching 2024 as the contact say they go charge them they go court. The former minister of sport will be Solomon Dalung go don come fire bad mouth to give federal government. Say the way we say they go Kenya to go catch Nnamdi Kanu take come back Nigeria. Say make federal government still use the same energy to go catch the Binance executive will be Nadeem Binance to make carry and take come back Nigeria. As in Koyan say nothing way they want talk to say because he know say Nigeria call about police officers them say they help that man take escape come out from inside their cell. The Nigerian Army don't declare 8 people they wanted. The way they talk say they join body take by 17 army officers for inside Okwama community and their name na Ikoli Ebi, Ruben Baru, Andrew Dennis Bariri, Clement Ikoli Rukewe, Professor Ikpokpo Ato, Sinclair Oliki, Okeyuru Dennis Omogbono aka Amagbem, and also Akata Malawa David. Federal government don declare on Friday 29 March 2024 and Monday April 1st 2024 as public holiday to celebrate the Good Friday and also the Easter Monday. And now the Honorable Minister of Interior will be Dr. Olubimi Tunji Ojo na come out yarn this. The Nigerian Army don finally bury the 17 soldiers the way Okwama youth they take by on March 14th 2024 as President Bola Ahmed Tinubu attend the burial ceremony as he can give the 4 ranking officers them award of member of the Order of Niger will be MON. Also can give the remaining 13 officers them the award of Order of the Federal Republic will be OFR. And yesterday will be March 27, 2024 for inside National Military Cemetery for Abuja. Now they buried them. Ogbonge fire don catch one NNPC filling station wey dey for inside Yola, Adamawa State on Wednesday night wey be March 27, 2024. But thank God say nobody by Owunjo on top this fire kasala. The Aliko Dangote Foundation don donate 80,000 bags of 10 kg rice to support poor communities wey dey for inside Lagos State. And they announced this one during one ceremony wey they do for inside Lagos State House for Ikeja on Wednesday wey be March 27, 2024. And the people they say they attend the ceremony na the Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, the chairman of Dangote Group will be Aliko Dangote dey there, and also the chairman of the First Bank of Nigeria Holding PLC will be Femi Otedola. All of them stand out for ground. The Lagos State official of environmental sanitation corps don pursue some people that will say that they sleep for that pedestrian bridge for Lagos State. He say because they block the bridge, so people that go fit they pass freely anytime where they want pass and they not go to cross express road again. And on Thursday, March 28, 2024, now they come out come yarn this news. The Federal Airport Authority of Nigeria will be found don shut down one KFC outlet wey dey for inside Moitala Mohammed International Airport to Ikeja, Lagos State. Say because they not allow the son of Senator Gbenga Daniels to enter inside the KFC. Say because he sit down for wheelchair and they not allow him they enter inside the outlet. Say because he carry wheelchair.
So if you are bringing a policy now and if you are the person that's telling me, wait.
Hello, please drop your phone.
Why?
Why are you snapping me?
I'm not snapping you. I'm recording what you're saying.
So what are you recording?
Hello, listen to me.
The guy that pushed the wheelchair.
Okay.
All Anko people knows that wheelchair is not allowed.
Okay. In KFC.
Yes.
Only KFC.
Yeah. I don't know.
Okay, about other places, but KFC.
I wasn't working here from the onset. I was transferred here. When I was
Plenty crowd don come gather one army officer wey dey talk saying shoot one driver say because the driver no gree give am 200 naira bribe, and this kasala happen for inside Lokoja, Kogi State.
Nobody do anything to me.
The Lagos State government don seize some commercial buses them as they come talk say those buses they not dey okay at all. Their body don scatter finish, even their dashboard, their speedometer and their fuel gauge not even they read again. Some of them not even get side mirror or even get pointer at all as they come seize all the buses them say because all these buses them say that they cause ogbonge accident, and because Lagos State government want the safety of Lagos State people them, now made them they're not gonna allow all this kind of buses that they run again for inside Lagos State. The officials of NAFDAC don't come catch some people that will say that they produce bottled water for inside one dirty room, and now for inside Port Harcourt, River State. Now they catch and discover this factory. We see that they produce these fake bottled water.
How is this to pour the water inside the can? Water from the bucket filtered with clothes and funnel and fill directly into this place. This place is a pool center. You can see it's where they play pool.
No flight agree fly at all for inside Port Harcourt International Airport after we some women of Igbo community for Ikuri local government area of River State come out come do an ugly protest as all of them come wear black dresses, come even block the people who say they want travel come out for inside the airport. As they come there and they say for good 7 years they never get light at all, they not even get mobile network and they not even get good road for inside Igbo community. The Lagos State Calabar Police Command don arrest one man wey im name be Emmanuel Okpara as they come yarn. They say because the man beat him wife take by. According to the story, say the woman son wey im name be Destiny don go report to give a Calabar police people there before. Say im mama husband they beat im mama, he don beat im mama, take wunjure im mama well. Yes, na Bishop News O'Clock. My name na Nehi. Make una enjoy your day.